Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and consider liking this video. In today's video, we will be doing something that my BMW should have came with from the factory. And that is installing LED reverse lights on my BMW F10. Now my BMW F10 has LED lights everywhere besides the interior and reverse bulbs. This car came with the LED package and gave LEDs for everything, including the license plate lights. However, there are no LED reverse lights, and in today's video we are going to fix that. I'll have these linked down below. There are some different bulbs depending on what year F10 you have, and a lot of sites do not correctly state it, so I will have them linked if you have a pre-LCI F10 or an LCI F10. So it's super simple to replace the reverse bulbs on any BMW. Essentially all you're going to need is a screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. I want to give you a look at the new LED bulbs right here. So they also have a bulb facing up front and on the sides for maximum output, which is super cool. And I will show you guys a side-by-side comparison. So we'll put in the driver's side one and then show you what the passenger side halogen looks like. So all we have to do is we can start by removing the screw here, and there's one up here and another one right there. And then we take a pry tool and pry it off. So let's throw you guys in time lapse and do that now. So now if we pull down right here, there's these two clips on each side. If you pull down on each side, that side's out, and that side's out. And I'll show you guys what the clips look like. The clips are right here, so you just push in on them. I don't know if you can see that. You just push in just like that. And there's two on each side, and then we can remove the bulb. You'll have two bulbs in here. The lower one right here is your rear fog light, which we don't use in the US. Weird that there's a bulb, but there's no controller up front. And the top is your reverse light, and that's what we'll be replacing today. So we can take the old one, just twists, looks just like that. And we have the new one, identical. And these little nubs actually matter. You can probably see there's a nub here and nub here. The nub here and nub here, they actually matter for the position that they go in, and that's why this specific bulb, I had a very hard time finding bulbs for my F10. Like I always do, I will have these ones linked below for you guys so you know what bulb to buy. It matters for the pre-facelift and facelift. They're two different bulbs, so I'll link both. Just twist that back in, and bam, it's in. We might have to do some coding with Beamer code to get rid of the LED warning. We'll see. So let's install this back in. Alright guys, so I want to give you guys a comparison. We have the LED on the left, and we have the halogen on the right. The halogen may seem brighter because of the smoke that's coming out of the tailpipe from condensation, but when in fact the LED on the left side is actually much brighter. I will show you guys at night just to give you a better comparison, but the LED on the left hand side is much brighter in at person. So let me throw the other one on, and then I'll show you guys some night shots. Okay, now we have to just put all the pop rivets back in, and then we have to check to see if we need to code the car to get rid of the warning since they're LED reverse lights, and then I'll show you guys a shot at night of what they look like. So this is popping up on my iDrive display, reverse lamp malfunction, which is totally normal when putting an LED bulb in a BMW, or for that any car that checks if the bulb is out or not, and that's what it's doing. So we're going to jump into Beamer code and tell Beamer code, or we're going to tell the car that we're using LED reverse lights through Beamer code, and I'll be using the mod BMW wireless adapter to do so. Like I mentioned, this is my favorite adapter to use on F-Series cars. So we're already connected up in Beamer code, and we're going to go under the footwell module for at least my car. And again, it reads it super quick because I'm using that mod BMW adapter. We're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to look for reverse light left lamp. We're going to set that to an LED, and then we are going to do reversing light right lamp. We're gonna set that to an LED first, and then we're just gonna press code and start coding. And it's easy as that. And then see if that warning goes away on the iDrive system. Hopefully it will. If not, we need to change the warm monitoring and cold monitoring. All right, so I cycled the car, and as you can see, all systems okay. If we go back. All right, everyone, I want to give you guys a look at the reverse lights at night. They are super bright. Let's see if we can, you can see that they're nice, pure white, but they are absolutely killer compared to my other ones, and they look awesome. Pure white, 5,000 Kelvin, looks super good. All right, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed me installing LED reverse lights in my BMW F10. This is a much needed mod on any BMW. Gives you better visibility at night and just overall looks cooler, and it's a super simple mod. These are 5,000K LED bulbs, which look amazing. Like I said, I'll have these linked down below, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing.